Big news. OpenAI just revealed something game-changing. Over 1 million ChatGPT conversations were analyzed. And guess what? 1 in 4 people are now using ChatGPT to find information, not Google. This means the way people search and the way businesses get found has officially changed. Instead of clicking through 10 blue links, people are asking AI and getting one clear, trustworthy answer. If your business isn't showing up in those answers, you're basically invisible in the new digital world. ChatGPT's study shows a massive shift. Nearly 25% of all chats are people seeking advice, recommendations, or research help. AI is replacing browsing. People want quick, sourced, and simplified answers, so your content has to adapt. AI doesn't just grab random websites, it favors 3 main types of sources. 1. Authoritative industry publications. 2. Review sites with aggregated data. 3. Community discussions that explain things clearly and with reasoning. That means generic, promotional, or affiliate-heavy content. It's getting filtered out. If you want AI to notice your business, focus on helpful, research-driven content, not sales pitches. And don't forget the technical side. Let AI bots crawl your website. Add structured data, that's schema markup. Upload fact files in a machine-readable format. Keep your content fresh and up to date. Over 700 million people now use ChatGPT every week. That's a massive audience looking for trusted sources. Businesses that adapt early to AI search will dominate the next era of online visibility. If you want your business to stay visible in this AI-driven world, start optimizing today, or get expert help to do it right. Subscribe to Online Biz Breakthrough for weekly strategies on how to grow your business in the age of AI.